Alright, we got an 03 Shadow VT750. Gonna change the spark plugs on it. I already changed the forward ones because those are super easy. But there's a rear one on the right side of the bike and a front one on the left side of the bike that require you to remove a cover held in by two 5mm Allen heads. And then I had to go and buy a special socket that I'm hoping will work to actually pull the plugs because they're kind of tight in there. I'll give you a close-up once I get this cover off. It's just kind of an oddball angle. So I had to go out and buy this special spark plug socket because previous owner thought they needed the toolkit more than me. If you have your factory toolkit, it has a socket made just for this in there. Of course, this one won't fit either. Special socket I bought. It's a Motion Pro. It says it'll fit a Honda. It does not. Don't waste your money. Save 20 bucks. For the same price, another $20, you can get the factory Honda tool. And you'll actually be able to change your spark plugs. 5mm. Alright, so as you can see, that one at least fits. Okay, brand new plug, just check the gap, throw it back in, put your cover back on, good to go. Hopefully that helps somebody. Feel free to comment, like, subscribe, tell me you hate it, tell me you love it. Keep making them. Sorry it's been so long since the last upload. This bike is going to get some transformations over the winter, so I'll show some more disassembly. Taking the rear fender off, taking the front fender off, taking the tank off. Huge dent on the other side that's got to get taken out. And then I'm going to change the look of her. Till then.